Hi, and welcome to Teaching and Learning in a Blended Environment. I'm glad that you decided to take the course. I know that you're going to learn a lot of material as we go through the course. First thing I want to show you is right here in our course in Schoology. If you go in here to the syllabus and the guidelines, you'll see if you click on the syllabus, you'll see that this is an 8-week course. I'll show you in a little bit that you can only see 6 weeks, 6 folders right now, but we'll go through that. A couple of things, the required text is the blended book by Horn and Staker. There are a couple other articles that I'll have for you, so you don't need to worry about those books, but they are wonderful books in case you're interested in buying them. If I go here to materials, you'll see I have week 1, and you'll notice that it says must complete. So I have certain things set up within the course that you're going to need to complete as you go along. To find out what exactly you have to complete, it's always in the assignments. So if I click right there in the assignments, it'll tell me I have 3 things in the first week that I have to do: make a submission, and post a comment or reply. So as you go along, you're going to see those things within there. If I click on the little arrow here, this will also give me some nice things to look at. So I have the assignments, I have the additional readings. So there, I always put some extra things in there that I think would be valuable to you. And then in the resources material, I also give, usually in here is directions in case you're unsure of something in the assignments. For instance, create an infographic. I have some directions on how to do that within this program. So that is how the course is set up. You can go through these weeks as quickly as you'd like. Notice there is not a week 7 and a week 8. I will be posting those a little bit later, but the reason they're not there is because in week 6, if I look here at week 6, I give you directions for this final project. And the last 2 weeks, I want you working on that final project so that you can have time to work on it, get it done, and finalize it so that you can do a good job with it. So there will be some other things in week 7 and week 8, but I don't have them here right now. The other thing I want you to be aware of is over here where it says upcoming. I am planning a couple of face-to-face help sessions, so if you're having trouble with something within the course, I'll be able to meet with you face-to-face, and you can bring your issues or things that you need help with at that time. Usually what I do is I'll set something up at either Saturday morning at Panera, or I might do an evening during the week at someplace like BW3s or Tequilas right here in Perrysburg. So just keep your eye out for that. You're always welcome to send me a message within Schoology, and the way you do that is you just go up here and then you go ahead and send a message to me. You can start typing in my last name, and you'll see I'll pop up there. Give me a subject and the message, and my goal is to get back to you within 24 hours of whatever you ask. You can also look at your grades here. Right now, don't have anything put in there, but you will. Notice that these are rubrics, so let me show you that real quick. For instance, in week 1, if I go to the assignments and then create an infographic, I have right here the grading rubric that I'm going to use when I grade your project. So make sure that whenever I have those, you take a look at what I'm going to be looking for so that you can do a great job with that. I've also given directions in case you're not sure how to submit an assignment. I have those directions in there already. For each week, I plan on having some kind of a video like this to introduce the week. So for this first week, you have 3 things: create an infographic, Library of Congress development module, and then a discussion. Whenever you do a discussion, I'm expecting 2 things. I'm expecting that you're going to make a post, and that you're also going to respond to 2 other people's posts. or at least get involved in the conversation. We don't have a whole lot of people in the course right now, but we do have enough that you can respond and have a nice discussion going. Now, the interesting thing about this, as you're going to find out, is that you have to make a post before you can read other people's. So that's something you may not have been used to before. If I go back to the assignments, the other two assignments create an infographic. And again, with this, I give you directions on what I need you to do along with that rubric. And I give you some links here to the two things that I'm expecting you to do. And then the Library of Congress Development Module. This is, I give you the link here. And what I want you to do when you get all done with this, you're going to have a picture of a certificate. I just want you to take a screenshot and send me the screenshot of that. The way you take a screenshot on a Mac is use the Command-Shift-4 key combination, and then you'll be able to take a screenshot and it'll look something like this. You get the little crosshairs, you go like that, and usually that will either go into your documents folder or onto your desktop, and then you can just submit it that way. I look forward to talking with each of you, and I'm looking forward to a great class. Thanks for joining.